Hey guys, it's me. Today I'm going to be trying the Splash Liquid Lipstick in the color Spontaneous. I just got this in the mail the other day, and this is going to be my first time trying it on. So let's see how it looks. So this is how it looks out of the tube. Let's try it. Okay, looks good. It's a nice, it's a nice fuchsia color. I've had lipstick this color before, so I'm actually glad that, Younique has this shade. So, that's a close-up. Yeah, I think I'm really digging this color. So guys, what do you think? Can you comment and just let me know? I think this is a good color, but I want to know what y'all think. So comment below and let me know. Until then, I will see you another time. See ya.